Hi guys! So, I've been meaning for a very long time to attempt using my Holo powder, but these work best with a no-wipe top coat, which I do not have, and I can get this to kind of work sometimes. I can get the dispersion layer off enough that this will work, but it is not 100% of the time. A lovely friend of mine lent me hers that she got off of Amazon, so I'm going to give this a shot, as well as some neat nail foil thingies. I'm going to use this ASP Hot Pink as my base, so I'm going to get this on, and we'll be right back. So that's our color done. Now I'm gonna put on the no wipe top coat. I believe she said she got this from Amazon. Okay, so it's time to apply the Holo dust. I've done my other fingers and it appears as though this top coat is working fabulously. Check that out. That is exactly what I wanted. Now I'm leaving my ring finger because that's where I want to put the holographic foil. We're just going all Holo here. Okay, so now I've got this glue that I also borrowed. I'm gonna guess this is also from Amazon. Now I'm gonna put this on my accent nail. And I'm gonna just let that get a little tacky, like lash glue. So I'm gonna shake this out a little bit. I think that's as tacky as it needs to be. So I'm gonna take this dream catcher. That's gonna be screwy, I already know it. I already know it. Oh, so close. I'm gonna take this off. So I just used a little bit of non-acetone nail polish remover and that took the glue right off. But another thin coat just on the bottom part here, maybe. I think the problem is a lot of these are too big for a nail. So they're not quite a design that can easily just wrap where you want it. And I actually think I'm gonna aim to just get this feather on here. Let's do a simple, straight down the middle design. Just to kind of tie all that Holo together. Holo. Ah, there we go. That worked. So these are the finished nails. You can see I lost some top coat. My top coat shrunk. And I'll probably go in and fix that later. But right now it's no biggie. This one's fine. Oh shit. There too. Whatever. I can fix it. Anyways. Once the patches in this are totally fixed, this will be a brilliant set of nails and fantastic. Look at that. Yay! All you holosexuals out there, this set's for you.